the shocker from Punjab Congress leader Charanjit Singh Channi. Former Punjab Chief Minister Channi, in a controversial statement, has labelled the Poonch terror attack a stunt. When asked for a reaction by the local media on the attack that happened last evening, the Congress Punjab leader said, and I'm quoting, "These attacks are not happening but are pre-election stunts." Channi said these are pre-planned stunts and done to make the Bharatiya Janata Party win. In a shocker, Channi said it is, quote-unquote, BJP's job to get people killed and play on their dead bodies. Let's listen in first to what the former Punjab Chief Minister told the local media in Punjab.
ये स्टंटबाजी हो रही है, हमले नहीं हो रहे। पिछली बार भी जब इलेक्शन आते हैं तो ऐसे स्टंट खेले जाते हैं और बीजेपी को जिताने का संविधान तैयार किया जाता है। ये तैयार किए हुए सारे पहले से तैयार करके हमले करवाए जाते हैं। ये बीजेपी को जिताने का एक स्टंट होता है, इसमें सच्चाई नहीं होती। लोग मरवाने और लोगों के लाशों पे खेलना ये बीजेपी को आता है।
And my colleague Akash Sharma tracks the defence sector, is with me on the broadcast. Akash, politics aside, this is extremely unfortunate, isn't it, for the morale of our forces, which have lost one of their own and which are now carrying out a search and cordon operation to ensure that those terrorists are brought to book?
Exactly. And in fact, you see, Arunima, this incident happened at 6 p.m. yesterday. And, today it's 6 p.m. once again. At least, when we talk about politics, we were expecting, questions will be raised, but it is so early that, in fact, the search operation has not been completed yet. And, politicians are passing comments like such. Charanjit Singh Channi is the former Chief Minister and senior Congress leader. And he's saying, and in fact, claiming that this was a pre-planned attack. This attack has claimed, a life of one airman. And in fact, we have seen that how Indian Navy and Indian Air Force are tweeting, for the family of that airman. And here are the politicians who are raising questions, and not just raising questions, but are claiming that these attacks are pre-planned attacks and are, done for political motives.
Akash, do hold on. On expected lines, Bharatiya Janata Party has slammed Charanjit Singh Channi's statement. Extremely unfortunate and shocking what Channi said, and Bharatiya Janata Party's reaction. What Mr. Manjinder Singh Sirsa has said is that Channi of Congress calling it a drama and calling the martyrdom a stunt because of elections. He says, what can be worse mentality than this? Let's just play out first the reaction that we have from the Bharatiya Janata Party.
चरणजीत सिंह चन्नी फॉर्मर चीफ मिनिस्टर पंजाब के कांग्रेस के आज जलंधर से लोकसभा के कैंडिडेट हैं। वो ऐसी घटिया बयानबाजी करते हैं, इसको नटंकी बताते हैं, इसको ड्रामा बताते हैं। जवान का शहीद होना कांग्रेस के लिए नटंकी और ड्रामा है, राजनीतिक ड्रामा है। ये है कांग्रेस का असली चेहरा, ये है गांधी परिवार का असली चेहरा। ये कोई नई बात नहीं है। कांग्रेस के खून के अंदर ये घटियापंथी है। कांग्रेस के खून के अंदर आर्मी के प्रति, एयरफोर्स के प्रति या हमारे सैनिकों के प्रति ऐसी भावना है। ये गंदी राजनीति से बाज नहीं आ सकते। ये वोटों की तुष्टीकरण के लिए, पाकिस्तान को खुश करने के लिए किसी कदर भी नीचे गिर सकते हैं।
So you heard Bharatiya Janata Party's first reaction. Manjinder Singh Sirsa there slamming Charanjit Singh Channi, saying just for a few votes, you're willing to compromise national interest. You're willing to speak in the same language that Pakistan, an enemy nation, really speaks, and embarrassing for the country. Akash is still there with me, but Akash, not the first time, isn't it? Pulwama happened, years ago, but even now, every election, at every opportunity, opposition does raise question about Pulwama and the CRPF men who lost their lives. So what Channi is saying is not a new phenomena for the opposition leaders.
Exactly. In fact, in Pulwama, Pulwama happened at a crucial time. It was really unfortunate, but it happened at a time when when the country was going for another elections. And as you rightly mentioned, politicians have raised several sort of questions and in fact allegations. But Arunima, I was in fact mentioning this earlier, that not even 24 hours have passed. This incident happened at 6 p.m. and when we talk about this area, so this is not something
Right.
that is extraordinary, because this area has witnessed a number of such incidents.
Right.
Yes, timing is crucial, but then investigation will lead us to as to how this happened. What was the kind of affiliation that the group that was behind this particular attack carried out this particular attack.
Akash, if you
there
give
are
me a
some-
moment, Mr. SP Vaid, former top cop of Jammu and Kashmir, is with us on the broadcast. Let me just bring him into the conversation first. Akash, do hold on. Mr. Vaid, first reaction to what Charanjit Singh Channi said. If you haven't heard him, he says that this Poonch attack is a staged, quote-unquote, electoral stunt.
What unfortunate statement coming from a person who has held the chief minister's post in a sensitive state like Punjab. Such statements actually give handle to Pakistan. Very unfortunate. And just 24 hours, we lost a brave soldier. Let them wait for the investigation and outcome of that. Then make whatever statement you. And by making such statements, you are only giving handle to Pakistan to do what they actually would like to do, and this is very, very, very unfortunate.
But Mr. Vaid, first it was Pulwama. Questions about Pulwama are raised till today, even as we have moved on to another election season. Now for Poonch also similar questions being asked. What really is the reason, in your opinion, that the opposition leaders are going to this extent to question the martyrdom of our defence men?
Absolutely. This is, I would say this is cheap politics at the cost of such brave soldiers who are losing their life in a sensitive district like Poonch, border district, where we had witnessed in last one and a half year so many attacks, and we lost so many brave soldiers, I think more than 30. And yesterday's incident also is very close to the border. And Pakistan is sending mercenaries only to change this narrative that situation has improved after 370, and they don't want people of Jammu and Kashmir to exercise franchise freely as they have denied to their own people.
Right. Mr. SP Vaid, thank you so much for joining us and sharing your thoughts. Akash, if you're still there, having covered the national security paradigm for so long, we've always seen opposition leaders, media raise questions after such attack, raise questions about why was such an attack allowed, intelligence failure or not, SOP followed or not. But this is definitely a first, where a chief minister of a state which is a bordering state, a state which has seen so many incidents of terrorism, a state like Punjab, which is fragile because of Pakistan's continuous interference. So former chief minister from a state like Punjab calling the martyrdom, and also because Punjab has sent so many of its boys, young men to our defence forces, and for them, for a chief minister of a state like Punjab, a former chief minister, to come and question the martyrdom, Akash, how is the defence forces really taking it? I think if you heard me there, essentially what I was trying to ask you was that Punjab, we know, is a sensitive state. Punjab is a state which has sent so many men and perhaps women also to our armed forces. For a former chief minister associated with such a state, such comments?
Yes, and Arunima, in fact, you mentioned it initially that, it plays a big role for the morale of the armed forces. You see, whenever incidents like such happen, there is a feeling of taking revenge. And, not just in common people, but of course, these personnel are coming from states like Punjab, Haryana, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, and from all across the country. There is a feeling that, one should take revenge. But then investigation is an, important part. And that is also the reason why we talk about discipline in our armed forces. This is also a reason why everyone wants the investigation to be concluded first. The reason should come out as to under what circumstances this attack happened, what were the kind of lapses on our part, and who was actually which group was actually the one behind the particular incident. And that is the reason why no one was actually raising question till now. But yes, there you have your former chief minister from Punjab, who is not just raising question, but also is somewhere saying that this was a stunt
Yeah.
for, political purposes.
Yeah, so raising questions on whether this attack could have been stopped in terms of intelligence gathering or standard operating procedures being followed, that is separate. Essentially what he is saying is that we have deliberately, somebody in India has deliberately sacrificed a brave airman because he or she or a group wanted some electoral benefits. As shocking as it can get. Akash, thank you so much for joining us with those